What you need? A cello pen, water, a flashlight or sunlight, a white surface or piece of paper, a mirror. What to do? Fill the cello pen about halfway full with water. Place the mirror in the water at an angle. Shine the light into the water where the mirror is underwater. Or using the sunlight, bring the pen and mirror outside so the sun can shine on the mirror underwater. Hold the white paper above the mirror. Adjust the angle until you see the rainbow appear. Conclusion. Light is made up of many colors, and when it passes through the water, it is broken up into the other colors seen in the rainbow. The rainbow in this picture was made with a flashlight and can be seen near the bottom of the glass. It was not a very big rainbow, but once the flashlight was placed just right, there it was. This is the video for the experiment.